You'll have to think.
Papa, I can't run this family business anymore. I've
Definitely been beaten.
This tradition has been going on in our family for 7 generations. We are thieves. We're not lazy thieves.
How else can we steal? When everyone's sleep has been stolen. Times have changed.
So we'll have to change.
Earlier, we used to wear caps. Now we'll make investors wear them. Earlier, we used to get stuck in our homes. Now we'll have to learn TMC. We'll have to
Learn big words like guaranteed returns, instant profits, portfolios. We'll have to learn acting.
invest today, become a millionaire tomorrow. Now we won't do chain snatching. We'll snatch people's chains.
Now there will be no action, no drama. This is not over. Thieves will get a makeover.
Thieves have begun preparations in full swing. Are you ready? Scams take new forms every day. Invest carefully.
Struggling to choose between large cap stability, mid cap balance, or small cap growth for your long-term wealth? Discover Kotak Flexi Cap Fund, the game changer that plays it smart. Like a football coach who rotates defenders, midfielders, and forwards, the fund dynamically shifts across large, mid, and small companies aiming to capture every winning opportunity. With a 15-year track record and over 16.78% CAGR, Kotak Flexi Cap Fund doesn't just play the market, it consistently aims to generate wealth over the long term. Start investing today and aim to score big with Kotak Flexi Cap Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
I request everyone to please be seated. We'll be starting with the next session. It is my pleasure to welcome Nilesh Shah, past President, Bombay Chamber, Chairperson, BFSI Committee, and Group President and MD, Kotak Mahindra AMC, who will deliver the special address today. Mr. Shah has led his team to the Best Fund House of the Year award at all the mutual funds where he has worked with Kotak, ICICI Prudential, and Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund. Sir is a part-time member of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India. Also, he is the member of PFRDA Committee for the Determination of Investment Pattern of Pool Corpus under Unified Pension Scheme. He is a member of COBO-SAC Committee of SEBI. He is a member of the Board of Association of the Mutual Funds in India, and Sir has been the backbone of Bombay Chamber's BFSI Committee since ages. I would like to welcome Mr. Nilesh Shah on the desk, please.
Thank you, Utkarsh, for those kind words of introduction. Lata, Sandeep Bhai, Dheeraj, and Sandeep Khosla. Ladies and gentlemen, आजकल रात को नींद उड़ जाती है. हम लोग ने जिंदगी भर SIP बेची है, लोगों को कहा है लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट करिए, and there is no regret for that. But last 4 years, we have seen relentless selling by FPIs. Active FPIs have been sellers. Passive FPIs have been Ayaram, Gayaram, kabhi aa rahe, kabhi ja rahe hain. But overall, it will be fair to say that mutual funds have given exit to FPIs and promoters. And this has been happening for almost last 4 years. Are we doing the right thing? Are we doing fair job? Are we keeping client first? One way to evaluate is mutual fund vis-a-vis competing financial products. Ours is the only industry where interest of mutual fund, distributor and investor is aligned. transparency wise, we are better than the best in the world. So from that point of view, I don't think we have any cause of complaint. If I look at alternative, when 18 करोड़ इंडियन क्रिप्टो में अपना हाथ जला चुके हैं, एंड ये करेक्शन में तो पता नहीं और क्या जल गया होगा. 20 करोड़ लोग गेमिंग खेलते थे. यूपीआई का डेटा सजेस्ट करता था कि बैन होने से पहले 10,000 करोड़ रुपये ऑन अ मंथली बेसिस मूव्ड फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स टू गेमिंग कंपनी. सेबी कहता है 9 out of 10 people trading in FNO loses money. जेन स्ट्रीट आपका गला काट के लेके जा रहा है, एंड फिर भी हर किसी को लगता है FNO में उसका तो पैसा ही बनेगा. भाई मैथमेटिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट येट पीपल बिलीव इट. फॉरगेट अबाउट ट्रेडर्स, स्पेक्युलेटर्स, ग्रीडी पीपल. Even ordinary people, ordinary Indians have more money invested in currency notes which keeps on depreciating day after day compared to their original investment in mutual fund. Our AUM is roughly about 80 lakh crore. But कम से कम 40-50 लाख करोड़ तो हमने मार्क टू मार्केट गेन करके दिया है. Actual investment of institutions and individuals put together will be 25 or 30 lakh crore. That has been accumulated over 30 years, and yet it is less than the currency in circulation at 38 lakh crore. So compared to them, again, mutual funds have done a great job. But yet, when you evaluate against FPI's relentless selling and promoters selling, it does create a doubt. Are we doing the right thing? Sandeep Bhai is the chairman of MFI, and I'm sure he will also agree to it. Our regulator SEBI was really gracious in giving us 2 basis points for investor awareness campaign. It hadn't happened anywhere in the world. India is the only country where regulator graciously levied 2 basis points for investor awareness campaign. 1 basis point remained with mutual funds. And we all launched advertising campaign by and large on SIP, long-term investing. And 1 basis point was given to Association of Mutual Fund in India. I and Sandeep Bhai compete in the market, but in MFI we cooperate to create an advertising campaign. हमारा देख के इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री ने भी कॉपी कर लिया, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. And in that campaign, we coined a beautiful quote, mutual fund sahi hai. This has taken mutual fund to more than 5 crore investors, virtually every pin code of India, and it has created many people in terms of wealth. आजकल कई बार जब बाहर जाते हैं तो लोग पहचान जाते हैं, एंड मैं तो अपने कोटी के ऊपर कोटक म्यूचुअल फंड पहन के चलता हूँ. अगर मेरे इन्वेस्टर नाखुश होते तो ये पहनने की हिम्मत नहीं करता, बट अब ये पहनने में टेंशन नहीं है. बट आई थिंक अ टाइम हैज़ कम वेयर we'll have to launch another campaign. म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, लेकिन म्यूचुअल फंड सिर्फ इक्विटी नहीं है. टुडे bulk of our AUM is coming in equity, and the best example of the future of other assets like debt, me, Bala, Navneet, we all started our career as a debt fund manager. And Lata, you will agree, our first love is always debt. आज भी आपसे डेट के ऊपर बात करते हैं तो आंख में चमक आती है, दिल से आवाज आती है. इक्विटी में बात तो कर लेते हैं, बट आवर फर्स्ट लव रिमेन्स डेट. And yet all of us dropped our debt fund manager career to become CEO. If 3 of the smartest debt fund manager believes that they better be CEO, you can very well understand what has happened in the debt fund AUM. On gold, silver, precious metal, for last 5 years we had the biggest bull run. It has given as good a return as equity. And what is the total AUM of gold, silver in mutual fund? Less than what India imported last month in just gold and silver. 30 साल से मेहनत कर रहे हैं. हमारे गोल्ड सिल्वर में इट इज़ 100% गारंटेड दैट वो कस्टडी के पास है, अर्थक्वेक प्रूफ स्ट्रक्चर में है, कस्टोडियन सेबी की निगहबानी में है, इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी ली है. एंड उसके बाद भी आर टोटल AUM इज फार लेस देन व्हाट वाज द मनी स्पेंड इन जस्ट इंपोर्ट ऑफ गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. रीट इनविट दूध में शक्कर की तरह है. हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में डाला तो जरूर है. द टेस्ट ऑल्सो हैज बीन गुड. But in total industry, REIT InvIT is not even a small percentage. Even if I extend mutual fund into performing credit, AIF, long short fund, and those kind of products, the contribution remains far lower. Somewhere as an industry, we haven't done a good job in pushing non-equity as an asset class. I'm still not able to convince a person sitting on currency notes, keeping money in current account, keeping money in SA account, कि भाई 6% return is better than 0 return in currency notes. 6% return is better than 0 return in current account. And 6% return in liquid fund is better than 2.5% in savings account. I have not been able to convince a woman who is doing her SIP with a roadside jeweler. She will go and give money for 11 months over there. 12th month she will buy an ornament, pay huge making charge, probably pay much higher in terms of 22 carat gold being sold at 24 carat and so on and so forth. And I'm not factoring in a Goodwin jeweler kind of jeweler in Mira Road, which ran away with money. And मतलब, how will I go and convince outsiders? मैं तो insiders को भी convince नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. हमारे म्यूचुअल फंड के एम्प्लॉय भी गुडविन ज्वेलर्स में SIP कर रहे थे. उन्होंने भी पैसे गंवा दिए. तो गांव को तो बाद में सिखाएंगे, घर वालों को तो पहले सिखा दें. I think time has come for us to work with our regulator, with our partners, with media. How do we convince retail Indian म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, म्यूचुअल फंड सिर्फ इक्विटी नहीं है. We need to create product which can bring flows seeking safety, flows seeking lower volatility into mutual fund. And as Neil was mentioning, एक भारत बाहर भी है NRIs का, वैसे ही एक दुनिया बाहर भी है. 2008 में जब इंडिविजुअल रेमिट करते थे पैसा बाहर, that was about $3.5 billion. At that point of time, at the request of SEBI, RBI gave us $7 billion limit to invest offshore. By and large, mutual fund industry has done a good job in raising those money and investing abroad. last year, individual remittances was about $37 billion. हमारी लिमिट आज भी $7 billion पे टिकी हुई है. How do I convince regulator that institutional investors will do a better job than individual investors? Last 19 साल का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड उन्हें कन्विंस नहीं कर पा रहा है. Somewhere time has come for the mutual fund industry to work with regulators, with distributors, our partners, with media, to educate investors that mutual fund सही है, पर mutual fund सिर्फ equity नहीं है. Hopefully, as all of us are in the last phase of our career, we'll do a good job on this. And when we retire, we can truly go with satisfaction that we did a fair job. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for that illuminating address. I would like to request our Director General, Sandeep Khosla, to please present a memento to Shri Nilesh Shah as a token of appreciation. A round of applause. Thank you so much, sir.